Bike check, Norco Rivet. Rims, Lacasa. Tires, Rant. Cranks, Free Agent. Pedals, Odyssey. Brakes, Odyssey. Brake lever, Free Agent. Seat, Shadow Conspiracy. Crank and, sprocket and chain, Shadow Conspiracy. C-clamp, Sabrosa. Well, I took it off my Sabrosa bike. Seat, Shadow Conspiracy. Handlebars, Sabrosa. And, forks, I have no idea. Yeah, it's a pretty dope bike. Now, just wheel over here in my epic wheelie chair. My red wheelie chair. You know the wheels with the chairs on it? Yeah. Stem, headset, DK. I bought this frame off of a website. This is the first time it's ever been out of a box. Yeah, it's pretty cool. See you on the next one. Peace.